Hello friends and student, welcome to my channel Maths Tips for You. Now we shall discuss the complex number for 11th standard. In my last video of complex number part 1, we have discussed some example on algebra of complex number. In this video, we are going to see some more example on algebra of a complex number. The example: express the following in the form a plus bi, where a and b belongs to R, the set of real number. I is equal to under root of minus 1. State the values of a and b. There are 5 examples. We shall solve one by one. The number 1 is I into bracket 4 plus 3i upon 1 minus I. In the denominator, 1 minus I is a complex number. Its complex conjugate is 1 plus I. We multiply and divide by its complex conjugate. So this is equal to I into 4 plus 3i multiplied by 1 plus I upon 1 minus I into 1 plus I is equal to. Now we multiply 1 plus I bracket to each term of the first bracket. I into 4 plus 1 plus I plus 3I into 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I into 1 plus I. We know that a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Using this, 1 square, that is 1, minus I into I square. We know that I square is equal to minus 1. Therefore, I into bracket, we multiply 4 inside the bracket, 4 plus 4i. We multiply 3i inside the bracket, plus 3i plus 3i into I square divided by 1 minus I square is minus 1 is equal to I into 4 plus 4i plus 3i plus 3 into minus 1 bracket complete. I square is minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. This is equal to I into 4i plus 3i becomes 7i. 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3 divided by 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 is equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1, I into 1 plus 7i divided by 2. We multiply I inside the bracket, I plus 7 I square upon 2 is equal to I plus 7 minus 1. I square is equal to minus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 7 plus I upon 2 is equal to minus 7 upon 2 plus 1 half into I. This is in the form a plus bi, where a is equal to minus 7 upon 2 and b is equal to 1/2. The second example is 2 plus I upon 3 minus I into bracket 1 plus 2I. So this is equal to, we first multiply the denominator. In the denominator, the bracket 1 plus 2I, we multiply each term of the first bracket. Therefore, 2 plus I upon 3 into 1 plus 2I minus I into 1 plus 2I is equal to 2 plus I upon, we multiply 3 inside the bracket, 3 plus 6I, we multiply minus I inside the bracket, minus I, minus 2I square. I square is equal to minus 1 is equal to 2 plus I upon 3. 6I minus I, it is become 5I minus 2. I is equal to minus 1. Putting the value of I square minus 1 is equal to 2 plus I upon 3 plus 5I minus 2 into minus 1, that is plus 2, is equal to 2 plus I upon, we add real with real, 3 plus 2, that is 5 plus 5I. Now the denominator is a complex number. Its complex conjugate is 5 minus 5I. We multiply and divide its complex conjugate. So this is equal to 2 plus I into bracket 5 minus 5I upon 5 plus 5I into 5 minus 5I. We know that a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Using this, we multiply 5 minus 5I to each term of the bracket 2 plus I. 2 into 5 minus 5I plus I into 5 minus 5I divided by 5 square 25 minus 25 I square is equal to, we multiply 2 inside the bracket, 10 minus 10I, multiply I inside the bracket, 5I minus 5I into I square divided by 25 minus 25 I square. I square is equal to minus 1 is equal to 10 minus I minus 10I plus 5I, that is minus 5I minus 5 I square is minus 1 divided by 25 minus 25 into minus 1 is equal to 10 minus 5I minus 5 into minus 1, that is plus 5 upon 25 minus 25 into minus 1 plus 25 is equal to 10 plus 5, that is 15 minus 5I upon 25 plus 25, it is 50. So this is equal to, we can take 5 common, 3 minus I, if you take 5 common, so it is 10, 5 into 10. So this is equal to, we cancel 5, 3 minus I upon 10. Therefore, 3 upon 10 minus 1 upon 10 into I, which is in the form A plus BI, where A is equal to 3 upon 10, B is equal to minus 1 by 10. Now next third example, 1 plus I upon 1 minus I bracket square I. Therefore, the given example is equal to, now we know that A upon B bracket raised to n is A raised to m upon B raised to n by laws of indices. A upon B raised to m is equal to A raised to m upon B raised to m. Using this, 1 plus I bracket square upon 1 minus I bracket square. Now squaring, A plus B bracket square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square, and A minus B, A square minus 2AB plus B square. 1 plus twice I plus I square upon 1 minus twice I plus I square. Now I square is equal to minus 1. So this is equal to 1 plus twice I minus 1 upon 1 minus twice I minus 1. So one minus 1 get cancelled, 1 minus 1 get cancelled, is equal to 2I minus 2I. 2 also get cancelled, I get cancelled, it is minus 1. Now this is a complex number whose imaginary part is 0. So this I can write minus 1 plus 0 into I, which is expressed, which is in the form A plus BI, where A is equal to minus 1 and B is equal to 0. Now next example, number 4. 4 into I raised to 8 minus 3 I raised to 9 plus 3 upon 3 I raised to 11 minus 4 I raised to 10 minus 2. Don't get panic by seeing such type of example. If you simplify, it is a very easy example. Now we first simplify the power of I. I raised to 8 is equal to I square raised to 4 by laws of indices, is equal to I square is minus 1 raised to 4, so it is 1. I raised to 9 is equal to I raised to 8 into I by laws of indices. It is equal to I raised to 8, we have just calculated 1. So 1 into I is equal to I. Next, I raised to 10 is equal to I square raised to 5. So it is minus 1 raised to 5, being the 5 is odd number, so it is minus 1. I raised to 11 is equal to I raised to 10 into I is equal to I raised to 10, we have just calculated minus 1 into I is equal to minus I. Substituting all these values in the given expression is equal to 4 I raised to 8. So I raised to 8 is 1. So into 1 minus 3 I raised to 9, that is I plus 3 divided by 3 into I raised to 11, that is minus I, minus 4. I raised to 10 is minus 1 and minus 2. So this is equal to 4 minus 3I plus 3 divided by minus 3I, minus become plus, that is plus 4 minus 2. Again simplifying this, 4 plus 3, 7 minus 3I, 4 minus 2, that is 2 minus 3I is equal to. Now denominator is 2 minus 3I, which is complex number. Its complex conjugate is 2 plus 3I. We multiply and divide by its complex conjugate. 7 minus 3I into 2 plus 3I upon 2 minus 3I into 2 plus 3I, which is equal to, we multiply this bracket to each term of the first bracket. 7 into 2 plus 3I minus 3I into 2 plus 3I divided by a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So 2 into 2 4 minus 3 into 3 9 I square, which is equal to 7 into 2 14 plus 7 into 3 21I minus, multiply 3I inside the bracket, 6I minus 9I square divided by 4 minus 9I square. I square is equal to minus 1 is equal to 14. 21 minus 6I is plus 15I minus 9. I square is minus 1. So this is equal to minus 1. 4 minus 9. I square is minus 1. Is equal to 14 plus 15I plus 9 upon 4 plus 9 is equal to 14 plus 9 23 plus 15I upon 4 plus 9, that is 13. So this is equal to 23 upon 13 plus 15 upon 13 into I, which is in the form a plus bi, where a is equal to 23 upon 13, b is equal to 15 upon 13. So these are the values. Now we shall see the last example. Example number 5. 3 plus 2I. 3 plus 2 upon I into bracket I raised to 6 minus I raised to 7, 1 plus I raised to 11. Solution. We first simplify the power of I. Here I raised to 6 is equal to I square raised to 3. I square is minus 1 raised to 3 means it is minus 1. I raised to 7 by laws of India says I raised to 6 into I. I raised to 6 is minus 1 into I, so it is minus I. I raised to 11 is equal to I raised to 10 into I by laws of India says I raised to 10 means I square raised to 5 into I. I square is minus 1 raised to 5 into I, being the index is odd number. So minus 1 raised to 5 is minus 1 into I is equal to minus I. Therefore, given expression is 3. Now, we multiply I to the numerator and denominator. 2I upon I square into I raised to 6 is minus 1 minus I raised to 7 is minus I into bracket 1 plus I raised to 11 is minus I, so it is minus I is equal to I square is equal to minus 1, 3 plus 2I upon minus 1, minus 1, minus minus plus I, 1 minus I. Which is equal to 3 minus 2I minus 1 we multiply it to the numerator and denominator. We can take minus sign common from this. That is 1 minus I and 1 minus I, which is equal to minus 3 minus 2I into bracket 1 minus I into 1 minus I, 1 minus I bracket square, minus 3 minus 2I bracket, we know that a minus b, a square minus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is 1 minus 2I plus I square. Again I square is equal to minus 1 minus 3 minus 2I into bracket 1 minus 2I, I square is minus 1. So 1 minus 1 get cancelled, minus 3 minus 2I into minus 2I. Minus minus become plus, we multiply twice I into 3 minus 2I is equal to, multiplying 2I inside the bracket, 6I minus 2 into 2 4 and I square. Again I square is equal to minus 1, 6I minus 4 minus 1. So this is equal to 6I plus 4, which is equal to 4 plus 6I, which is in the form a plus bi, where a is equal to 4, b is equal to 6. That's all. We have seen all these 5 examples of express the following in the form a plus b and finding a and b. Now in my next video we shall solve some more example on algebra of complex number. Thank you for watching my video.